Hello, welcome to this conference organized by Electrical Mirror, and we have none other than the convener of this conference. Sir, how was your experience while doing it?
Let me right at the outset congratulate the Mirror team, and they are doing excellent job because anything which can be achieved in the life, whether it is a social achievement or it is a claim of technology or a research development society, anything can be done only through nothing other than knowledge. So, knowledge propagation is something which is the most important aspect in life. Saraswati is the main theme of this. Lakshmi will automatically come. So, therefore, this seminar is blend of knowledge, experience, and practical achievements.
So, if I may ask, what was the one very interesting topic that has been brought out in the conference and can also enlighten our viewers about the subject and the theme of the conference?
You see, no topic can be undermined because all topics have been scrutinized, selected, and finally frozen based on the relevance. But in any power generation, transmission, distribution, circuit breaker occupies the most important position, and therefore the circuit breaker maintenance, its operation, introduction of digitization finally can be rated as one of the top topic. However, the application with the latest technologies, digitization, the camera also cannot be put in the second category.
Well, if I have to ask you five takeaways from this conference till now, till session one, what will that be?
Get the knowledge, apply it in your field, train your subordinates, try to get best out of it, and finally, what is more important, contribute for the country in every aspect of the life. That is what this seminar can focus, has focused, and it gives a that lesson.
And also, if I may ask, like now that we have been discussing about the digitalization in the electrical field, can you please just tell me what do you think, according to you, what will be the future of digitalization of electrical fields in India and abroad?
You see, I have over focused the importance of the digitization not only in industry but also in every field of life. Whether you talk of the softwares, whether you talk of the automation, whether you talk of any control, whether you talk of achieving the best efficiencies in area of the operations, productions, even in supply chain management, the digitization is only the hallmark. Through the digitization, you can achieve what you might have not even dreamt. And therefore, digitization is the need of this country, and it's a matter of great pleasure that we have already reached. If you compare the digitization, particularly in the IT field, our software people are visible even in remote places throughout in all the countries of the world, and therefore we should be having the pride and we should be having complete grip of this knowledge that we are still in a leading position and we will continue to perform in interest of our country.
Well, sir, thank you. Your answers do give us some insight into the subject, how things are going in the session, and we'll be waiting for another sessions to happen, and we'll sure come back to you for further takeaways. Thank you so much.
That is my pleasure. That is my pleasure. I would like to again thank the whole Mirror team, particularly Shubh and Neha and yourself, who have taken a very leading role and contributed immensely in success of this seminar, which is very important for any power plant, power distribution, and transmission sectors of our country.